Today, we're taking a closer look at AcreetionOS, a Linux distribution that stands out by taking a different approach to the traditional desktop Linux experience. If you have spent time exploring the Linux world, you already know that there are hundreds of distributions available, each with its own philosophy, desktop environment, package manager, and target audience. Some focus on simplicity, some focus on stability, others are designed for power users, developers, or people who want to build a system from the ground up. AcreetionOS enters this huge ecosystem with its own identity, and that makes it an interesting project to explore. In this video, we're going to look at what AcreetionOS is all about, what makes it different, how it feels to use, and who might want to give it a try. One of the first things that becomes noticeable about AcreetionOS is that it is built around the Arch Linux ecosystem. This immediately tells us something important about the distribution. Arch Linux is famous for giving users a powerful and flexible foundation while leaving many decisions in their hands. However, installing and configuring Arch manually can be intimidating, especially for people who are new to Linux. Projects based on Arch often try to provide a more approachable experience while keeping some of the advantages that make Arch attractive. AcreetionOS follows this general idea, giving users a ready-to-use system while still offering access to the flexibility and software availability associated with the Arch world. When you first start exploring AcreetionOS, the overall impression is that this is a distribution designed for people who appreciate a clean and modern Linux desktop without wanting to spend hours manually configuring every component. The desktop environment and default configuration are important parts of the experience, because they determine how quickly a new user can become comfortable with the system. AcreetionOS aims to provide an environment that feels usable from the beginning, while still leaving room for customization as you become more familiar with Linux. The visual design is another area worth discussing. Linux distributions have become increasingly polished over the years, and users now expect more than just a functional desktop. They want attractive themes, logical menus, smooth animations, and sensible defaults. AcreetionOS attempts to create a cohesive experience where the desktop, applications, icons, and system tools feel like they belong together. Of course, beauty is subjective, and one user's perfect desktop might be completely different from another user's preference. The advantage of Linux is that you can usually change almost everything, and AcreetionOS gives you a strong starting point rather than forcing you to accept a completely fixed design. Performance is also a major reason why people choose Linux distributions. One of the interesting things about an Arch-based system is the possibility of running a relatively lightweight setup that does not waste resources on unnecessary background services. On suitable hardware, AcreetionOS can provide a responsive desktop experience, making it attractive for users who want to get more life out of older computers or simply want their modern hardware to feel fast and responsive. However, performance will always depend on the desktop environment, installed applications, hardware drivers, and individual configuration, so users should not expect every computer to perform exactly the same way. Software availability is one of the strongest advantages of the Arch ecosystem. Users have access to the official Arch repositories, while the broader Arch community also provides access to the Arch user repository, commonly known as the AUR. This gives users an enormous selection of software and makes it easier to find applications that may not be available through traditional Linux repositories. For experienced Linux users, this can be extremely convenient. Instead of searching across multiple websites for installation packages, many applications can be installed using familiar package management tools. At the same time, beginners should understand that community-maintained software requires some caution and that not every package has the same level of official support. Another aspect that makes AcreetionOS interesting is the balance between convenience and control. A distribution that is too automated can sometimes feel restrictive, while a distribution that gives you complete control can become complicated very quickly. The appeal of an Arch-based project is often found somewhere in the middle. You can start with a working desktop, explore the system at your own pace, and gradually learn how the individual components fit together. This makes the distribution potentially useful for Linux users who want to learn more without starting from a completely empty installation. The installation process is also an important part of any Linux experience. For many people, the first few minutes with a new operating system can determine whether they continue using it or immediately move on. AcreetionOS attempts to make the initial setup more approachable than a traditional manual Arch Linux installation. Depending on the version and installer experience, users can generally expect a more guided process where important decisions are presented clearly. However, anyone installing a Linux distribution should still back up important files before changing partitions or replacing an existing operating system. Once the system is installed, one of the first things you may want to do is check for updates. Because AcreetionOS is connected to the Arch ecosystem, users should understand that this is generally a rolling release style approach. Instead of waiting for a completely new major version every few years, software packages are updated continuously. This means you can get newer kernels, desktop environments, libraries, and applications without performing a traditional major upgrade. The advantage is access to newer software, but the trade-off is that users should keep their systems updated responsibly and pay attention to important project announcements when necessary. For gaming, the Arch ecosystem also provides plenty of possibilities. Tools such as Steam, Proton, Wine, and various performance utilities have made Linux gaming much more practical than it was in the past. AcreetionOS can benefit from this broader ecosystem, although gaming performance will depend heavily on your graphics hardware and drivers. NVIDIA users in particular should pay attention to driver compatibility, while AMD and Intel users often benefit from strong open-source graphics support. With the right setup, Linux gaming can be a surprisingly enjoyable experience. So who is AcreetionOS really for? I would say it is best suited to Linux users who want something more convenient than installing Arch from scratch, but still want the flexibility of an Arch-based environment. It could also appeal to curious beginners who are willing to learn, although completely new Linux users may find Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or similar distributions easier as their first introduction. AcreetionOS becomes more interesting for people who want to explore the Arch ecosystem without immediately jumping into a fully manual installation. Of course, no Linux distribution is perfect, and AcreetionOS is no exception. Arch-based systems can sometimes require more attention than conservative distributions, particularly when major changes occur in the wider ecosystem. Some users may also prefer the slower, highly tested update cycles of Debian or Ubuntu-based distributions. Others may simply dislike the default desktop experience and prefer something more familiar. These are not necessarily weaknesses of AcreetionOS itself. They are simply part of choosing a Linux distribution that matches your personal priorities. Overall, looking at AcreetionOS is a reminder of what makes the Linux world so fascinating. There is no single operating system experience that everyone has to follow. Instead, there is an enormous collection of projects experimenting with different ideas and trying to make Linux more useful, attractive, and accessible. AcreetionOS takes the power and flexibility of the Arch ecosystem and presents it in a form that can be easier to approach. For users who enjoy customization, newer software, and the freedom to control their computing environment, it is certainly a project worth exploring. If you are currently using Windows or another Linux distribution, and you are curious about trying something different, AcreetionOS could be an interesting experiment. It offers the opportunity to experience an Arch-based system while starting from a more prepared desktop environment. Whether it becomes your daily driver or simply another distribution you test in a virtual machine, it provides another perspective on how flexible Linux can be. And that, ultimately, is the biggest reason to take a closer look at AcreetionOS. It may not be the perfect distribution for everyone, but for the right user, it could be an exciting combination of modern design, performance, flexibility, and the powerful Linux ecosystem.